Well, here we are at the end of day 2 of built-in aquarium remodel. And today, first, we spent about 2 hours searching for a dedicated jacuzzi line that was supposed to previously exist in this house, which we did not locate. However, what we did locate in that bottom section there was a 20-amp dedicated line not being used by basically anything. And so we have been quite blessed, and we hijacked that line and have now run it over to this side area. Now, the side area is where we are going to put the start of our electrical system. Our Apex Aqua controller system will go into this area, which will basically give us all the information we need about the aquarium. So our first GFI is going to come from here so that it will be easily accessible should we trip it. We moved the light switch that was on the other wall over here, so we have lights to this room. And then over in this section, we created our drain system, which will tap into the main drain of the house. And while it looks like a funny monster, it's actually quite usable. We have over here on this section an emergency drain, which is going to be pumped to a pump in the bottom of the base cabinet, which will be hooked to a water on floor sensor. So when the Apex controller notices that there is water on the floor, it will turn on the pump, which will pump the water through here. And of course, this won't work for a major explosion, but for a small leak when I'm not around, hopefully it will help out. Our next area of the drain is the drain that will come from the RO unit. So this is the water that will come off of the RO that doesn't go or make it past the purification. This area here is our vent. So those three come down here to this Y. And then up here, this is the siphon hose drain. And so this will make it so that I can do water changes and clean water directly from the refugium or the main tank without having to bring a bucket to drain water. So I can hook a hose directly to this drain and it'll drain out. And this comes down to a P-trap, which has been set so that I can get my fingers to that cap right there. Should I get this clogged, I have access from both of those points should I get it clogged with sand from the unit. And then this goes down into the crawl space and ties into the main house drain and out of the house. Over on this end is going to be our water line. So this is the start of our water line with a shutoff here. And this water line will go to our RO unit, which is going to be placed way up high, hopefully up in that area. And there are some electrical outlets over there, and above here is where we're planning on hoping to put our auto top-off system in our reservoir at this area, so that there will also be another shut-off to the water up there by the RO unit. This board behind the plumbing is green board, so since we were installing this portion of the plumbing before the cabinet was created, we went ahead and put green board, and then I painted with kitchen and bath paint, and we caulked with mildew resistant caulk. And we have 2 outlets over here, and we also have outlets up here. The outlets up here will be used to power the ballasts for the lights and the jets for the system. So here we go at the end of day 2 of the remodel, and we are pretty pleased with our progress.